Hello, my name is Lori McFall and I'm presenting Lynda.com. Lynda.com is an online learning platform for anyone to use. It is a global platform for success. It helps you achieve personal and professional goals by learning business, software, technology, creative skills, and more. Members have access to a video library full of top-quality, engaging courses that are taught by recognized industry leaders. Members can be individuals, corporates, academic, or government organizations. Lynda.com helps students, leaders, IT, design pros, project managers, and more develop software, creative, and business skills. Lynda.com is flexible and offers cost-effective group memberships for businesses, schools, and government organizations. Some of those organizations that use Lynda.com include Adobe, NBC, Patagonia, University of Southern California, United States Office of Government Ethics, and even Jacksonville State University. It serves more than 10,000 organizations and includes tutorials in 5 languages. You can try out Lynda.com for free for a month, then it's $29.99 a month after that, or you can pay annually and save 17%, which is $24.99 a month. Lynda.com gives you access to 10,000 plus expert-led courses, get personalized course recommendations, watch anytime on your computer or phone, earn a certificate when you complete a course, use project files to practice while you learn, assess your progress with quizzes, offline viewing to learn on the go, and access LinkedIn's premium career features. Jacksonville State University students and employees already have access to Lynda.com, and you can access it in your MyJSU account. And now I'm going to go to MyJSU. I've already signed in. Under Featured Links, you will find the Lynda.com tab. And if you are not a JSU employee or student, you can just go to the Lynda.com website. Okay, at the top, you have a library that shows different topics and software, learning paths that you can learn about. Just click on those. You can also click on the library, and it has topics from A to Z. I'm going to go to Education Technology. Here you can click on any of the videos or tutorials they show. To the left you have software. You can search by author and even skill level. So I'm going to click on Learning OneNote. Here's the video that you can begin watching. It has an overview, a transcript, and you can even view this offline by downloading here. To the left, you have contents, which go through each content of the course, and then all the way to the conclusion. You can download worksheets, quizzes. At the end, when you complete, you can have download a certificate. That tab is your notebook, so if you want to take a note, you can do that as well. It allows you to save this note. It actually, wherever you are in the video, it puts it on the time right here so you can find it exactly in the video. You can save this note to Microsoft Word or a PDF or text file so you can access it there. Over here you have different layouts. You can add this course to your playlist, and you can also share this course with anybody in your organization. Here is your profile. You also have playlists underneath your profile, and that's where you'll locate those wherever you've saved any. Here you can edit your information here. This has any interest that you're interested in located here. You can click back on Lynda.com back to the home page. And right here is what's popular in your organization, what people have been viewing. I believe Lynda.com is a neat learning platform. It would be neat for teachers to access videos for students to learn. And this is just a little bit about Lynda.com. Thank you.